Hello. Today we would like to present you with the first results of an ongoing research project on Wikipedia uses. As a starting point, we would like to remind you that the important role of Wikipedia in information seeking and knowledge construction is well documented in the academic literature. The crucial role of reading in the construction of socio-cultural inequalities is even more so. The research presented today on Wikipedia readers. How do they use Wikipedia? How do they read? In what context? How much trust do they have in the information published? To understand this, we conducted an online survey on Wikipedia readers. This survey of Wikipedia readers was conducted by a European team of university researchers managed by the Research Center Marsouin. The data collection methodology is described in the data paper and on the research project's Wikimedia page. We drew on a number of international surveys to design the main sections of our questionnaire. Click on the presentation support links for more details. The questionnaire includes nearly 200 questions about what people were doing on Wikipedia before clicking on the link to the questionnaire, how they use Wikipedia as readers, their opinions about the quality, the thematic coverage, the importance of the encyclopedia, the making of Wikipedia, their social, sport, artistic and cultural activities, and their socio-economic characteristics. The data was collected using a questionnaire that we available online between June and July 2023 via a banner that was displayed to those who opened Wikipedia in the different participating languages and asked them to complete a questionnaire. More than 200,000 people opened the questionnaire, 100,332 start to answer and constitute our dataset, and 10,704 finished it. We create a typology using a mixed method combining factorial analysis and classification to identify the elements that differentiate Wikipedia reading practices. This classification allowed us to identify 5 clusters of Wikipedia reading practices. Struggling readers have a reduced consumption of information. They have limited trust in Wikipedia. They have more doubt about the reliability and neutrality of published content. They tend to question Wikipedia's legitimacy as an institution for the construction of encyclopedic knowledge. Conformist users see Wikipedia as an encyclopedic knowledge institution. However, they read Wikipedia selectively. They are very satisfied with the content, but also use other sites for information or education. For them, Wikipedia is more accessible than traditional institutions of knowledge and culture. Ambivalents are the most paradoxical. They are critical of the information they find on Wikipedia, but allow themselves to use it for study and work. They seem uncomfortable with the encyclopedic format. Over-informed are characterized by the highest proportion of contributors. They recognize Wikipedia as a reference institution. They have a sophisticated approach to searching for information and feel that they dominate the content. For confidence, Wikipedia is an important source of personal and professional development. These are the readers with the most extensive and varied use of Wikipedia. This group is characterized by young, active, connected people with little free time and a high level of trust in Wikipedia. The typology of Wikipedia readers that we have developed seems to largely reflect an ordinary organization of reading practices. On Wikipedia, we find the same logic of social differentiation in reading practices that we find outside of digital spaces, with distinctions between individuals according to gender, age, educational level, professional and financial situation. However, there do seems to be some specific features, particularly in terms of investment in the Wikipedia platform. For example, the struggling readers include a significant proportion of IT contributors. We also see that a large proportion of the young users of Wikipedia belong to the classes with the most diverse and important users of Wikipedia, contrary to perceptions of young people and reading. These initial results will be further investigated and refined in the near future with a second survey of the same respondents. Here are some references for further readings. And finally, thank you for watching.